Welcome back, dear students, on the e-learning platform of PNMRC High School. This is Shalini Mishra, your SST teacher, going to start chapter number 18, and the title of the chapter is Price Rise and Consumer Awareness. First of all, we understand the introduction and meaning of price rise. So, we start with the introduction. Dear students, India is a developing country. Apart from various social and economic problems, price rise is one of them. In this chapter, we study the meaning, importance, and reasons of price rise. Apart from this, we study some other topics related to price rise and consumer awareness. Now, let's understand the meaning and importance of price rise. Price rise meaning continuous and constant rise in price in different fields of economy at a high rate is called price rise, which is a problem. But price rise along with stability is beneficial for economy like India. Increase in price of manufactured goods means increase in the profit for the entrepreneurs or emerging business entrepreneurs. The entrepreneurs strive to increase their profit by reducing the cost of production. The profits provide capital required for the new ventures or new business units. New production units create more employment. They offer higher wages and better service conditions to the workers. Better wages means increase in purchasing power or purchasing power capacity for the consumers. People spend money to improve their standard of living. Thus, price rise gives momentum or speed to industrialization, and industrialization serves as an engine of economic development. Now, let's understand the reasons of price rise. The first reason behind price rise is increase in monetary supply. Increase in the supply of money in the economy takes place when the government resorts to deficit financing and prints new currency. Print in new currency increase in cash transactions in the market. Additional money made available by reducing the rate of interest on the loans. To increase in the public expenditure on defense, unplanned expenditure on welfare scheme lead to increase in supply of money in the market. The increase in supply of money increase the purchasing power capacity of the consumer. However, the supply of goods and services do not increase to the extent of demand. This imbalance between demand and supply results in the price rise. Next reason behind the price rise is population growth. Population of India has increased from 102.70 crore in 2001 to 121.02 crore in 2011. Additional population means additional demand for goods and services. The imbalance between demand and supply results in the price rise of the economy. Third reason behind the price rise is increase in export. The encouragement given by the government has considerably increased export of the Indian goods. Thereby, the availability of the goods in the domestic market has decreased. This results in the shortage or scarcity of goods and increase in price. Next reason behind the price rise is high price of raw material or shortage of raw material. The shortage of raw material leads to increase in the prices of their products. This contributes to the price rise in the market. Next reason behind the price rise is uses of non-registered currency / black money. Antisocial activities, black money, smuggling, hoarding and black marketing are antisocial activities. Hoarding of the goods creates artificial shortage and these goods are sold in the black market at higher price than their normal price that can create price rise. Next point is price rise by government. Petroleum products are imported by the international market, find reflection in the increase of the prices of petroleum products by the government. The government fixes support prices for the necessity commodities or agricultural produce. Any increase in the support prices by the government contributes to the price rise in the market. Next reason behind price rise is natural factors or natural calamities. The natural calamities like excessive rainfall, scanty rainfall, earthquakes, floods, and epidemics adversely affect the production and supply of the agricultural products. This shortage in supply results in the price rise. Last point is smuggling, hoarding, and black marketing can cause artificial scarcity in the market that results in the price rise. Dear students, in next video we will study about why prices should be controlled. Thank you.